Alright guys, we're doing the 27th hired request today of 2014. This is actually a Japanese pop song, and it's got a really neat piano accompaniment to it. And this is another reason I like hired requests. I get to do all kinds of music that I would have never heard had it not been for the hired request list. But it has a beautiful piano part. Let's do some of the beginning here. So forth. There's another piano part on top that I'll teach you that's real high. But hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. I always put the free part 1 on YouTube. The rest of the lessons for this song, all of them, there'll be a lot of them, will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. It's in the link in the, or it's a link in the channel or the video description if you want to look at it there. But webpianoteacher.com. I have the rest of the lessons for this, as well as thousands and thousands of other lessons that I've done over the past 8 years. It works on all mobile devices. We have our own server now, so lightning fast downloads if you have a fast internet connection. And a lot of people have learned to play piano on my website, so check it out. Let's get to the free part 1 here. Again, this is, I don't know if I said the name of the piece. Kotoba. It's AI, and then the second word is K-O-T-O-B-A if you want to look it up and listen to it. Alright, so we're going to start. Let's look at the right hand first. It just has a repeating pattern of an octave and a fifth. E flat, A flat, E flat. 1, 2, 5 is what I'm going to use. See that I do it one time, the second time, and then the third time just part of it. And that makes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it completes 4 counts. Alright, it's a fairly slow. Now the left hand is going to start on a high A flat here, and then it's going to go down to a pinky A flat on that A flat. So it's, okay, so high A flat, right below middle C. Now the next measure is going to be the same thing for the right hand, so we won't discuss that again, but the left hand does this E flat, then a low E flat. Okay? So if we start from the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so get that down, then we'll go to the next measure. The right hand is exactly the same again, but the left hand is going to play an F, and then the same F there. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that's that measure. Now the next measure is going to have a C. This C, a higher C, is going to go up to a C. Of course, the right hand is the same. Then we're going to have a low C. So that's a low C. So high C, low C. Okay, so if we go that far, the bottom line we have 1 and 2 and 3 and then we'll get here and do the rest of this. But that's all I'm going to put on here for the free part 1. The lessons will be extensive for the rest of this because there's lots of music to do, and I do all of it for you. So hope you guys enjoy that, and I will talk to you later. Again, webpianoteacher.com for the rest of the lessons for this piece.